Bonjour et bienvenue. In this video, we're going to be talking about the verb faire. Are you ready? On y va. Faire is a really useful verb in French. It means to do and to make, but we also use it when we're talking about the weather. There's a large number of idiomatic expressions or phrases that use the verb faire to express different ideas and thoughts. So it's a really useful verb, but it happens to also be an irregular verb. So it doesn't follow the same pattern as a typical ER verb or a typical IR verb. It's its own verb, and it has its own conjugation. So we're going to talk about that in this video. We're also going to see kind of what some of those common expressions are. Let's get started. So faire means to do and to make. So we start with je fais, je fais. Très bien, that means I make. So je fais la cuisine, je fais la cuisine. So I do the cooking. Tu fais, tu fais. That's you do or you make. Tu fais le lit, tu fais le lit. So you make the bed. Il fait or elle fait. So it would be he does or makes and she does or makes. So again, that's il fait, elle fait. So elle fait la vaisselle. Elle fait la vaisselle. Très bien. She does the dishes. Nous faisons. Nous faisons. So that's we do or we make. Nous faisons les courses. Nous faisons les courses. So we do the shopping. Vous faites. Vous faites. Vous faites les carreaux. Vous faites les carreaux. Okay, so that's you do the windows. So vous, I don't know if you guys remember vous, that means you in a formal sense, but it also means you all when talking to a whole group. So that's the example here. So vous faites les carreaux is you all do the windows. Ils font, elles font, elles font. Okay, so that means they do or they make. Now remember, ils, the one ILS, ils, is they as in a group of boys or a mixed group of boys and girls. And then elles, ELLES, is they, but it's girls only. Okay, so ils font la lessive. So ils font la lessive is they do the laundry. And that would either be a group of boys and girls or a group of boys only. So ils font la lessive. Très bien. Let's run through all those one more time before we move on to some of our expressions. So we have je fais, tu fais, il fait, elle fait, nous faisons, vous faites, ils font, elles font. Très bien. All right, so we're going to go over 10 expressions that use faire, and we're going to talk a little bit about how we use faire to talk about the weather. So our first expression is faire le lit. Faire le lit. And that means to make the bed. Next, we have faire la lessive. Faire la lessive. It's to do the dishes. Faire des économies. Faire des économies. Okay, to save money or to do savings. Faire du bruit. Faire du bruit. To make noise. Faire des courses. Faire des courses. To do shopping. Faire le ménage. Faire le ménage. To do housework. Faire du vélo. Faire du vélo. To ride a bike. Faire la fête. Faire la fête. To have a party. Faire la grasse matinée. Faire la grasse matinée. To sleep in. Faire la queue. Faire la queue. That's to form a line. Now, when we use faire to talk about weather, there's a couple expressions that we typically use for that. So we say things like il fait beau. Okay? Il fait beau. The weather's nice. Il fait mauvais. Il fait mauvais. Okay? The weather's not nice. The weather's bad. Il fait chaud. Il fait chaud. The weather's hot, or it's hot out. Or il fait froid. Il fait froid. The weather's cold. That's it for this lesson. Please tune in or subscribe to the channel. We've got a couple other lessons coming up. We're going to have a lesson specifically about weather, and we also have a lesson on the seasons. So those are going to be kind of coincide together and really useful to just learn more about some of these expressions. Don't forget to check out our website, FrenchLanguageLearning.net, for some other resources, some worksheets, some quizzes, some word searches, crossword puzzles, those types of things. All right, merci et au revoir.